こんにちは。Welcome to Consonants Japanese. I'm Mei. In this video, we are going to learn how to pronounce Sha Shu Sho. Consonants Japanese. Sha Shu Sho. These are called Yōon, sounds represented by combined characters. Yōon is a set of sounds that are made up of the consonants in this row, followed by a, u, o, instead of i. For example, Sha Shu Sho. These are pronounced with the sh sound, not the s sound, plus a, u, o. By the way, what's the difference between the s sound as in sa, su, se, so, and the sh sound as in shi? When the consonants are followed by the i vowel, the tongue position changes. In this case, you bring the front part of the tongue close to the place of articulation. And the place of articulation is the back of the gum ridge, not the front. Alright, let's take a closer look at how to pronounce Sha Shu Sho. To pronounce Sha, you first make the sh consonant sound. Sh. Then the tongue moves into position for the a vowel. Sha. Same thing with shu and sho. To pronounce shu, the tongue moves from the sh consonant to the u vowel. Shu. To pronounce sho, the tongue moves from the sh consonant to the o vowel. Sho. If you have trouble pronouncing Sha Shu Sho in this way, try to add the j sound, a very short one, between the sh sound and the vowel. For example, sha. You first make the sh consonant sound. Then, you consciously put the j sound, again a really short one, before the a vowel. Then the tongue moves into position for the a vowel. Sha. Sha Shu Sho. Sha Shu Sho. Sha Shu Sho. Let's practice pronouncing Sha Shu Sho using some real words. Repeat with me. 写真、写真、握手、握手、場所、場所。To practice writing hiragana characters, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. Go to my Patreon page, the link in the description. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。